Robert's really proud of his garden.
He is.
Yeah, he is, aren't you? There's his beets, carrots.
Grass.
His grass. And that's, I believe, squash, eggplants, sweet potatoes, cucumbers, cabbage. I'm going to stumble and fall down if I'm not careful. Tomatoes in the distance. See the tomatoes?
And squashes.
Yeah, he wants you to see the squash. Can you see the squash?
Who are you talking to? Here.
To everybody out there that wants to see that. Anyway, this is just a pretty big garden. How many acres would you say this is, Robert?
2.3.
2.3 acres, he said. I can't show you that because it's growed up blackberry bushes. But there is another garden that he has right here that's separate. Everybody loves Robert's garden. I think last night he was spending some time out here till dark planting. What'd you plant last night?
Beets.
Beets? And what else?
That's all I planted
Just beets?
last night. The green beans and the white beans and everything's up
Oh,
yonder.
down at the end of the garden down there, he said he's got green beans and white beans. That's Great Northerns. They're really good when you plant them, pick them, can them. They're really good out of a jar. So anyway,
Got a good stand. You want to go down and look at them?
he wants me to go down there and look at the stand he's got, meaning how well they came up. So I may be bouncing you up and down. Oh, look, over there. I didn't realize you had that there. I saw tomatoes. He said there's peppers. I'm going to try to raise you up and let you see over there. See the peppers? At the end of the tomatoes. And that's a separate little garden. Yes, you do have a good stand. Double rows. Anyway, that's Robert's garden. That's what everybody calls it around here, Robert's garden. Look at the tomatoes. How many plants of tomatoes do you have out?
700.
He has 700 tomato plants planted.
300
And 300 more to plant. And he raised them from seed that he orders. We raised everything from seed, I believe, except maybe the eggplants. Robert, was there anything else that you raised from a plant that's planted out here except the eggplants? Banana bell peppers, yes. Okay. So anyway, that's our garden for this year. It's about 2/3 planted.
Look at that zucchini.
He's wanting us to look at the zucchini.
Can you see it?
Oh yeah. Yeah, see the zucchini? And this is May the 28th, 2015. And there will be more planted on that end of the garden. About 1/3 of the garden left to plant. We have lots of friends that likes this fresh produce. It's a lot of work, especially after a long day working at the office. Okay, well, check back in with us. I may have more videos later. I might take some videos of my canned goods and show them to you. This is Sharon checking out. Bye.